Local news for Thursday the 8th of March. The latest monthly QV House Price Index shows nationwide property values for February increased across New Zealand. South Wairarapa jumped to 23.2% year on year and 6% over the past 3 months, while Masterton values were up 18.1% year on year. Aratoi Wairarapa Museum of Art and History in Masterton is hosting a major auction on the 13th of next month. It's to fundraise for the near 50-year-old institution and to showcase work by artists who have exhibited at the museum. And in sports, Pioneer have withdrawn from this year's Premier Tui Cup rugby competition, leaving the door open for 4 other clubs to be invited into the competition. And in this weekend's softball action, the Giants Prem 2 men will play the semi-final against Cardinals at South Park, while the Prem 3 men will play Stokes Valley. Again, both games are at South Park.